How's it going there, YouTube? Well, as you guys can see, we made it back from Cookstown here. Alright, got the tractor back in the back building here. I know I'm extremely late making this video for you guys, but I've been a busy guy, what can I say? Anyway, I haven't really done a whole heck of a lot with it since I got it home. I put the new spark plugs in it that I got from Steve at Ontario Used Tractor Parts. He's of course a Steiner dealer, and of course tractors seem to like those. I took the old plugs out. There wasn't really anything too wrong with it. They're just kind of carboned up. But of course, like I said in the past, Gramps used to just switch out one set of plugs every single year. But you know, nothing too out of the ordinary there. If you guys can see, just carboned up a little bit. But those are an old friggin' plug, so these, of course, the part numbers are Champion W14, so it's kind of a hard plug to find, but Champion spark plugs, you kind of rolling the dice with them anyway. Even when they're brand new out of the box, sometimes they're no damn good, but anyway, it seemed to like that. Seemed to run better with those. It seems to be getting the fire it should be now. It's still a little rough on the cold start, but I think a new set of wires is going to be in order here too, so I got an order in the Steiner Tractor Parts and ordered up a set of spark plugs wires for it. So this one, on the other hand, you got to go into the mag. You got to pull this cap out the mag, just pull these tabs off, and there's almost like watch screws on the inside of these wires, hold them into the contacts there. So I'll have a video on that when I show you guys, but I did just have it running there a minute ago, so I haven't had it running here in about a week and a half, so I thought I'd give her a start, because I think I kind of teased Honey Heart Part here. I was thinking I was going to take it up to Paisley this weekend, and I was going to come out here and see how I wanted to act, and of course second pull of the crank and away she goes. So unfortunately I'm going to be working tomorrow now, so I don't think that's going to happen right now anyway, unless I get excited about it on Saturday night or something, so I'd take it up on Sunday just for the day. But even if I was going to take it up on Saturday, I was just going to go up for the day anyway. So I mean, I could sleep in the back of the truck, but oh well. We'll figure that out some other time. Don't have any RVs around here to sleep in. So anyway, back to the point here. You kind of been getting things cleaned up for Milton and whatnot. I cleaned the wheels up and got all the Cookstown dust out of it. I kind of cleaned my radiator out a little bit, so this week I might get a chance. I'll go at it and get it cleaned up a little better and get a little bit more like how I want it to look, and might touch up a little bit of paint here and there. Of course, there's always something to do around here, so gonna have to repaint my exhaust pipe again because I had so much use out of the tractor this summer. I burned all that fresh exhaust paint off. You know, my manifold's getting all flaking off, but that paint I got's not very good. I don't know if it's in here or not. It's kind of a, I don't remember where the heck I got it at now. It might have been Brockville. We get some Brockville or Feenstra's Farm Supply in Athens there, so I don't remember. I don't think I paid a whole heck of a lot for it. I might not even have it in here. Yeah, right there. This stuff, high temperature gloss block, or no, sorry, flat block, not gloss block, flat block. Class C solutions. I don't know. Doesn't seem to last very long. It is a high heat paint, of course, so I don't know. Might have to find something from Duplicolor, because I have used a lot of Duplicolor paint in the past, so of course more money, so whatever. If you want to play, you got to pay, as they say. But anyway, Paisley's not going to happen for the Heart Part, not this year anyway, so like I said, unless I decide to take it on Sunday morning, because I'll go up myself. I've been up to Paisley since 2014, I think it was. 14 was the last year I was up there. That's for the big John Deere show. The first time I was ever there, my last time I was ever there, so it's kind of a long haul from Casper to go up there. It's about 2. Anyway, my memory card got filled up there, so I had to delete some footage because, you know, I've been making more YouTube videos a little bit lately. So yeah, Paisley's about a 2.5 hour haul from Keswick without a trailer, but you know, it's kind of a far piece to go for just a day trip. But at the same time, Paisley always was a good big show. At least I remember it being a big show when I went there in 2014. It was a good show. Got a video of that too, of course. And yeah, I think they're featuring International Harvester this weekend, so don't have any red tractors here to take, but you know, Should be a good big show to go see anyway. But yeah, back in the hard part here, I got another little thing I gotta look at here. I got a little oil leak here at my water pump. Ever since I put that oil line on, I noticed it's been dripping at the bottom of the pulley there. I don't know if you can see in there or not. It drips out of the back side of the pulley here a little bit. So I tried to tighten this nut up here in the front of the fan there, thinking that might kind of tighten the bearing up in a little bit, but it didn't seem to help very much. And I got the cotter pin back in it, so might be looking around for a water pump for this tractor this winter. But for now, it's kind of just got to keep on top and keep it cleaned up, I guess. So yeah, all these things sit around, you know. You need to get attention now and again, and of course, like I said, most, you know, that I haven't had the tractor doing a whole hell of a lot since last summer anyway, and this is the first time I've really actually done anything with it. So had it out, had it working, and had it doing things and whatnot, other than just driving up to the Farmersville and driving back home. So even up at Farmersville, I want to take it up Friday morning just to bring it home on Sunday morning. So Sunday never really was a very busy day up at Farmersville, at least not in the last 10 years anyway. So just as good to bring the tractor home and put it away for the rest of the year. So anyway, I think this tractor's staying up here this winter time, so might have to look around for a stablemate for it, I think, here. So I mean, the tractor can get lonely, but you know, that's going to be in the future. But anyway, if you guys like what you see, please comment, rate, subscribe. I'm sure most of you are tired of listening to me ramble now, so yeah, we'll see you on the next one.